Hello everyone, welcome to our SpinetiX booth at ISC in Barcelona. 2025 is the year of widgets at SpinetiX because those dynamic data-driven tools that lie at the core of our solution really unlock the potential of digital signage. Indeed, SpinetiX widgets can enable real-time interactivity and immersive experiences that go beyond the typical digital signage that you see everywhere. Data integration has become a big differentiator and a big way to reshape how organizations of all sizes interact, engage with their staff and customers. What we try to do, what we are aiming for, is really to transform everyday data from everyday tools and systems into meaningful, impactful experiences that inform, create, engage, and protect everyone's involved. Extracting data from a spreadsheet, a BI dashboard, a calendar, a CRM system, and displaying such data into real-time screen content. This is the way to really empower your data to unleash your story. So come visit us in Hall 4, booth 4R440, and see how to empower your data with SpinetiX to unleash your story, and visit our website at spinetix.com.